Shifting our focus to the story that we are covering from day one, resident doctors are continuing with their protest over delay in NEET PG counselling. In a late-night meeting, doctors from Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana and Madhya Pradesh have also assured that they are going to join their counterparts in Delhi. In fact, doctors have also claimed that the delay in the counselling process delays the induction of new doctors, thereby burdening them further. In fact, the Federation of Resident Doctors Association also wrote to all the political parties, appealing them to highlight this particular issue in the parliament session. So this is the latest that we are getting right now from the resident doctors strike. In fact, the statement that we got from FODA, the Federation of Resident Doctors Association, they said that they are going to hold a meeting to discuss the future course of agitation. In fact, state representatives of Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana and Madhya Pradesh have also conveyed to them that they are going to join the protest in front of Nirman Bhavan from tomorrow onwards. In fact, Alok Singh is with us with more details on this big story that we are tracking on Mirror Now. Alok, good morning. Quite a significant development there with the doctors from 5 states now assuring the counterparts in Delhi that they are going to reach there and basically protest with them, adding more muscle to their protest. But the bigger question still is, when will there be a breakthrough?
Yes, absolutely. The solution is not there so far, and the doctors are still protesting at the streets, and in fact there are patients who are still suffering in the hospitals. Yesterday there was a meeting held by the FODA doctors, and they decided that there are many doctors from the other states. They also need to come over here and join their protest because they want to give some muscle and they want to give some strength to the protest. Remember, there was a meeting held between the doctors, the protesting resident doctors, and the health minister, but it was inconclusive. So, yesterday we saw that the doctors, in fact, showered some flowers as well towards the health ministry, just showing the gestures that first they welcomed them with the flowers while the time when the COVID was very high and the doctors were working at that point in time. So in return of that, they did that. But till yesterday also there was no information came from the side of the ministry that they are going to call them for the meeting, and the solution is still not come out so far. So that is why they are saying that their protest will continue, and today there are more doctors are likely to join the protest at the Nirman Bhavan.
Right, Alok, thank you so much for giving us all those details.